Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on PC. First, you'll want to download the game client directly from the official Valorant website. It's a free-to-play 5 versus 5 tactical shooter, so getting started is quite accessible. Before downloading, quickly check that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Once installed, simply create a free Riot Games account, and you'll be ready to jump into the action and explore the world of Valorant. Now, let's dive into the core mechanics. Valorant features a diverse roster of agents, each with unique abilities and roles. Spend some time in the practice range to hone your aiming and movement skills. Precision is key. Familiarize yourself with the various map layouts and common callouts to communicate effectively with your team. Also, mastering the in-game economy, knowing when to buy powerful weapons or save for the next round, is crucial for consistent success. Team composition and strategy are vital in Valorant. Agents fall into 4 main roles. Duelists like Jett or Phoenix are designed to get entry kills. Initiators, such as Sova or Breach, help gather information and set up pushes. Controllers, like Omen or Viper, block enemy vision with smokes. Finally, Sentinels, including Cypher or Killjoy, specialize in locking down sites and preventing enemy flanks. Understanding these roles enhances your team's coordination. To truly excel, continuous improvement is essential. A great way to learn is by watching professional Valorant players. Observe their strategies and decision-making. Record your own matches and review them to identify areas for improvement, like positioning or ability usage. Clear and concise communication with your teammates is paramount for executing successful plays. Most importantly, consistent practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will significantly refine your aiming and game sense over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.